Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some information about all of our KTM 690, 790, and 890 extensions, and the 690 does include the Duke, the Enduro, and the Supermoto. So starting out, I know there's only one color showing, which is the black powder and the engraved here, but we do have these in the raw aluminum as well. The only actual difference between the 6.7 and 890s, these two here with the rounded end are for the 690 Enduro and Supermotos. These are for all the Dukes. So the 690, 790, and 890 Dukes is going to be this more rectangular bit here. As far as mounting them on, this is what's going to hold it to your swing arm itself. We call this retainer cap, and this little brake plate here is what your caliper is going to slide into, keep it from rotating or moving back and forth or anything like that. What we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm Extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard chain's usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you got all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. As with everything we make, lifetime warranty. If there's ever any issues, don't hesitate, reach out, give me a call, email, whatever, and that should wrap up our KTM 6, 7, and 890s.